Can you imagine doubling your income while working half the time? Is that even possible? With back-to-back client calls draining your time and energy, it's hard to imagine a different reality, an easier and much more lucrative reality. Can you picture this kind of success for your coaching business? Is it really true that you can pull your business out of survival mode and increase your revenue without working harder? You bet it is, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where my mission is to empower female coaches, consultants, and online entrepreneurs with luxury branding. On this channel, I teach you how to build your brand, your online authority, and your audience, so you have the confidence to charge your worth and cultivate a thriving business and life. And if you want to learn more about becoming the high-end leader in your industry, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. In this video, I'm sharing how to price your coaching services for high ticket sales so you can make more while working less. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, I need to make one thing clear. The pricing strategies I'm about to share with you are best suited for your one-on-one or group coaching program. This pricing model is most effective when you're directly involved with and providing your time to your clients. It won't necessarily work for a DIY or self-paced model like a course. Step 1, calculate your MLE, minimum level of engagement. Before you do anything else, you need to find your minimum level of engagement, which is your baseline, meaning you won't agree to work with a client for anything less. To figure out this number, start with your ideal revenue for the year and divide by the total number of clients you'd like to work with throughout the year. The answer is your MLE. For example, $100,000 divided by 100 clients. That would be $1,000 per client minimum. I learned the concept of an MLE from my coach, Chris Doe. Once I implemented it into my pricing strategy, everything changed for my business for the better. And here's a tip. Be realistic about the number of clients you can work with, because more isn't always better. Think about it. If you're working with fewer clients at a higher price point, you won't have to hustle and grind to serve them. Your work can be focused, which means you'll be offering a more valuable service to your clients and you can charge more for it. So let's modify the example I just gave you to reflect fewer clients. $100,000 divided by 25 clients. That would be $4,000 per client minimum. Does that $4,000 number sound scary to you? Good, an effective MLE should push you outside your comfort zone, but it's all so you can work smarter, not harder. Step number 2, analyze your offerings. Now it's time for the tricky part. You'll need to evaluate your current offerings and decide if you need to either raise your rates or eliminate services that fall below your minimum level of engagement. That's right. Every offer must be priced at your MLE or higher. Be ruthless about it. Make a promise to yourself that you won't book anything lower than the MLE you calculated for yourself. In fact, let me hear it in the comments. Type, "I promise to stick to my MLE," if you're on board with this strategy. And don't worry, this won't box you in because you can always offer services that are priced much higher than your MLE. Step 3, focus on one offering for now. To boost the effectiveness of this pricing model, I highly suggest distilling your offerings down to one program or package. This allows you to focus your energy and resources on building a robust program and marketing funnel, so you can fill that program before starting another one. And since you'll only need to focus on perfecting one service, you should position it as high ticket. Why? Because that's what enables you to charge a premium price for it. When your program feels exclusive and only open to a small number of clients, your prospects know they'll receive a top-notch level of service. Plus, people like to feel special and they're willing to pay more for that feeling. Hit that like button below if you're ready to start charging premium pricing for your incredible service. Step 4, justify your high ticket pricing. If you've been relying on discounts or offering deals to get clients in the door, you might wonder how you could ever charge higher rates and expect clients to pay them. But don't worry, I have 2 tips to help you get there. Tip number 1, build a luxury brand. If you want to be expensive, you've got to look expensive. Build a luxury brand to communicate your high-end value and position yourself as the go-to leader in your niche, so you can attract high-paying clients like a magnet. If you want to learn exactly how you can transform your business into an unstoppable luxury brand, you'll love my video, Luxury Branding: How to Build a High-End Brand. Tip number 2, add value to your offer. I see it all the time. Newer entrepreneurs tend to discount or offer deals because they're not confident in their offers. But discounting is a cheap trick, pun intended, to get clients. And it will backfire because you'll start attracting unwanted bargain hunters. My advice, instead of discounting the offer, add value to it by adding workbooks, digital guides, or more coaching sessions to make your offer more irresistible to your prospect. In fact, here's a challenge. Think of 3 ways you can add value to your current offer right now. Can you provide a helpful template or maybe add some video modules? Even something as simple as a checklist can make your clients' lives easier. The sky's the limit. Now you know exactly how to price coaching packages so you can earn more while working smarter, not harder. But this pricing strategy only works if you're attracting high-ticket clients. And I'm launching a free mini course designed to help coaches, consultants, and online entrepreneurs like you attract clients who will pay top dollar for your service. If you're wondering how to stay booked out with dreamy clients, then get on my waitlist for my free mini course by clicking the link below, and you'll be the first to know when this new course launches. If you liked this video, be sure to check out this one, where you'll learn how to say goodbye to bargain hunting customers once and for all, and finally start attracting those higher paying clients you've been dreaming of. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for your weekly dose of entrepreneur and branding tips.